How to fix could not find RUNE64.dll GTA 5 Enhanced. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the could not find RUNE64.dll error in GTA V when using the 5M version. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open up Windows Security on your PC. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Protection History. Here, you'll see a list of items blocked by your antivirus. Look for any item related to RUNE64.dll. This is usually blocked when launching GTA V. Click the down arrow to expand the details and check the file path. If it points to your GTA V or 5M folder, click on Actions and select Allow on Device. Next, to avoid this in the future, go back to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings, then scroll to find Add or Remove Exclusions. Click the plus icon, choose Folder, and then select the GTA V installation folder. For example, it might be in Rockstar Games to V, select the main GTA folder and confirm. Once done, restart the game, and this should completely fix the missing DLL issue. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more tech solutions. That's all for the video.